First of all, there is a question, bill calculation. It is very important in 5 marks. Question number 1. A building has the following electrical appliances. 1. A 1 HP motor running for 5 hours in a day. And second is 3 fans each of 80 watt running from 10 hours in a day. And second is 3 fans each of 80 watt running from 10 hours in a day. And third is 4 tube lights of 40 watt running for 5 hours per day. And find out the monthly bill for the month of November if unit cost of bill is raised 2.50 rupees. So let's start it. Serial number 1, then name of the equipment, quantity or power rating in kilowatt, working hours in a day, and energy consumed in kilowatt hour. So first, a 1 HP motor running for 5 hours in a day. So 1 is motor. So the number of 1, serial number 1, equipment is motor. Then quantity, how much a 1, power rating in kilowatt, 1 HP equal to 746 watt. So 746 watt to convert into kilowatt. So by using this calculator we can solve the problems. 746 watt is equals to 0.746 kilowatt. Then working hours in a day, a 1 HP motor running for 5 hours in a day. So hours, 5 hours. Energy consumed in kilowatt hours. So 1 equipment, so 1 into 0.746 kilowatt into 5 hours is equals to 3.73 kilowatt hour. So then serial number 2, 3 fans. So equipment number 2, fans, quantity how much, 3 fans, so 3, power rating in kilowatt, so 80 watt, 3 fans each of 80 watt, so 80 watt is equals to 0.08 kilowatt. Then 3 fans each of 80 watt running from 10 hours. So working hours in a day in 10 hours. Then energy consumed in kilowatt hour. So 3 into 0.08 into 10 is equals to 2.4 kilowatt hour. So third is 4 tube lights of 80 watt running for 5 hours per day. Then third equipment is tube light. So quantity is 4. So power rating in kilowatt, so 40 watt is equals to 40 divided by 1000. So 40 watt is equals to 0.04 kilowatt. So working hours in a day, for tube light of 40 watt running for 5 hours. So 5 hours in a day. So energy consumed in kilowatt hour. So 4 into 0.04 into 5 is equals to 0.8 kilowatt hour. So then find the monthly bill for the month of November if unit cost of bill is raised 2.50 rupees. So total energy consumed is the serial number 1 plus serial number 2 plus serial number 3 added it So 3.73 plus 2.4 plus 0.8 equals to 6.93 kilowatt hour. So find the monthly bill for the month of November. So the November month is 30 days, so it is 1 day of energy consumed. So November month's bill, November month's energy consumed is 30 into 6.93 kilowatt hour. So is equals to 207.9 kilowatt hour. So it is the power consumed of November month. So is asking we the unit cost of bill. If the unit cost of bill is 2.50 rupees, find the monthly bill. So 1 unit is equals to 2.50 rupees. So 207.9 kilowatt hours into 2.50 rupees is equals to 519.75 rupees. The bill is 519.75 rupees. So this is the answer of 5 marks question. Thanks for watching this video.